Do you want to know how to make copyright-free music using AI for free? And most importantly, you can use it in your video and monetize as well. Excited, right? So let's get started. Go to this website and click create. Here you can describe the song you want, or you can go the extra mile by clicking custom. You can now write your own lyrics. Choose the style of music. I'm going with electronic pop for now. Add a title and click create. Let's hear it now.
Design with R1, let's make some noise. With AI magic, we find our voice. From prompts to tunes, we set the stage, creating melodies on a digital page.
Amazing, right? You can download the audio and lyrical video as well. Share it with your friends and follow me for more guides like this.